So our class today starts from configuring of our sales table. Okay, and when you say configuration, you are preparing your table for further analysis. You are preparing it in such a way that you'll be able to analyze conveniently. So we'll select our costs, then you come to description under your property, come to description, you will type again. Let me show you something before you move on. Under your model view, okay, in the property wing, there are three things there, three major things. Look, the first one is general, that has arrow that point down, collapse it. The next one is formatting, collapse it. And the last one is advanced. So these are the three properties of your model that you can control any item you pull on your canvas. So as we are journeying forward, I'm going to be showing you where we are so that when you are practicing on your own, you will understand what we are doing. Are we together?
Yes.
Please, there is no stupid question in this class. You pay to be here. Pay attention, ask questions, draw me back when need arises, please. Please. And I keep telling you, whatever I'm teaching you is internationally based. You can go home and sleep on it the moment you know it. So take every opportunity to understand what I'm explaining. So now, costs. You come to general. You have your description under general. So inside the description, type based on standard cost. Click outside when you are through with that. Okay, let me demonstrate what that does. When you come to your sales table and point to cost, can you see? Okay, let me go to report view. Report view. Because whatever you are doing in property, the moment you come to report view, you may not see it again. Come to your sales. If you point to your cost, do you see what happened? Can you see my mouse? Love it. Can you see me?
Yes, yes.
So it's going to show you as a tool tip. Okay, it's going to show you as a tool tip. Good. So that's what I want you to see. Let's go back to our modeling. So that's how we start today. Then the next thing, select your quantity column. So quantity column, from inside the formatting section, under your formatting here, set the 1000 separator property to yes. So you can see now, 1000 separator is no. Because I have done so many things on my own, my Power BI has undergo some updates. There are some things you will see on my own interface that may be different from yours. Don't worry, it's still the same thing. The name is there, but the look might be different. So you have look on your own, there is 1000 separator there. Can you see it? Under formatting.
Yes.
Good. How does your own look like?
It's the same with your own.
Okay. What of Wayne? Is your own looking like my own?
No, mine looks like a
Share
slide.
your screen. Share your screen, Wayne. Share your
Uh,
screen.
1 second.
Yeah, no problem. Show me your face, Wayne. I want to see your face.
My camera doesn't work on this time.
Oh, you are hiding your face.
um, I need to connect on the second computer to share my screen. 1 second.
No problem. I want to see you. Do you know how we call you British? We call you when Queen Elizabeth was around, we call you Mama Charlie children. Now that King Charles is the king, so you are Papa Charlie's children. Don't worry.
All right.
Share screen, let's see, so the others will see what I'm talking about.
Okay. It's connecting now. 1 second.
No problem. Waiting for you. Ijeoma, you are too cold in this class. What's happening? Are you with me at all? IJ, are you in this class? I just ran away. When your system is a bit slow, what's happening?
I don't know. I think it's oh, it's my internet.
Okay.
Okay. I have to connect to the internet on that second computer. I
Okay.
forgot I'm using 2 computers, so all right, I'm connected now. Let me just see if I can get onto Zoom. Join the meeting. BlueSky. Sorry about this.
No, you're welcome. Just I intend to show others.
Okay.
Sorry, class. I'm interested in letting you see the way it looks. Some of your certification, Microsoft can please pay attention to every step we are taking. Microsoft do give a screenshot and wants you to identify what is happening there. Nothing strange other than the steps we are taking. No magic. So that's why I'm interested in you seeing the screen, and you understand and identify with the screen.
Sorry, I'm sharing on the main. Let me join the breakout room. We're MISC 2, right? Oh, MISC.
Okay. Let's move on. When you are okay, let me hold on for you. Let me
Yeah,
hold on. Go ahead. Go
I'm
ahead.
here now. 1 second. Sorry about this class.
You. Let me take a little water. Okay.
Recording in progress.
Right. That's how my screen is. Can you see?
I think he stepped out. He will back down.
All right.
Okay. Okay, I'm back. Aha. Good. Please take note of Wayne's screen. Can you see the way it is? Because my own screen has undergone updates. That's why my own screen is different. Okay. Let me do something. Good. So, taking a screenshot of that screen. I'm sending it to everybody. So, I send that screenshot of Wayne to you now. So, click on thousands. Okay, you click on it. Good. So, stop sharing now.
Okay.
Thank you. After a while, by the time you start working on your Power BI undergo update, it will change to look like my own. So nothing strange. Are we together?
Okay.
Yeah. Good. So now, if yours is like mine, you just click on the thousand separator, it becomes yes. Okay? That's that. You are saying you want your quantity to display with comma delimiter. When you have 1,000, you have 1,00. Then when you have maybe 10,000, 100,000, so it's going to put in your comma delimiter there. That's the purpose. That's that. Now select your unit price. Unit price. Unit price. So in the property, inside the formatting section, set the decimal places property to 2. So by default, it's going to show you auto. Can you see my screen, please? Hello?
Yeah.
Yes, we can see.
Okay. So in the decimal place, click inside 2 options. You can use your mouse. You know there is an arrow going up, down. No, you can click on the arrow here to increase the number. You can increase to number you want or reduce. Okay? Or reduce, depends on what you are doing. To make it faster, click inside and put 2 there and press enter. So you are saying, let my unit price be in 2 decimal places, right? Then, X, now collapse your formatting group, still on your unit price. In your advanced group, expand your advanced group, okay? Under the advanced, there is a summarized by. Can you see that summarized by? Are we going together?
Yeah.
Good. That summarized by is showing sum. Price, you are not adding price. You are working with average price, okay? When you summarize and sum, you are aggregating, you are summing them, but that's not what I want. So instead, click the arrow down there under the summarize by and say summarize by average. Average. Tomorrow I can come and say I want to summarize by maximum. I want to summarize by distinct count. I want to summarize by minimum. I want to summarize by count. Okay? Count will count all the values in that column or unit price. While distinct count will count unrepeated numbers. Okay? If you have price of maybe you have £2, £2, £3, £3, £3, £3, £3 that are repeated about 5 times. When you say count distinct, it's going to pick only £1 £3, £1 £2, £1 £5. It will repeat itself. But when you say count, either your 5, your 3, your 8, your 10 repeat itself more than 20 times, it's going to count 10. Can't see the difference now. Hello?
Yes.
Good.
Yes, we can.
Okay. So that's how about summarized by. So let's move on. So that's what we are going to do on our sales. So collapse your sales. We want to in authoring your visualization. There are some information that you don't want to release to your customers or you don't want to release to anybody. You want to hide them. Any information that doesn't have any direct thing to do on your report, most especially all your keys, that is, look at from region, you don't need your sales territory key to do anything other than to link your table that is at the background. Under your reseller, you don't need your reseller key to do anything other than to link the table together. In your sales, you don't need your sales territory key You don't need your reseller key, product key to to do anything in your report. Likewise, in your salesperson, employee ID, employee key and ID, you don't need on your reporting. Likewise, on your salesperson region, employee key, sales territory key, you don't need them. Target, you don't need. So now, those information you don't need. When you are modeling your information, you hide them in such a way that except you, the management does not need them. You hide them from them. And how are we going to do that? So we want to do bulk, application of it. That is, we want to do them together on all the tables. Okay. So let's start from products. You start here, expand your products, select your product key. Are we together?
Yes.
Good. Larry, Wayne, are we together?
Yes.
Good.
Yes.
So select your product key from product. Hold down Control key on your keyboard with one of your hand now. Control key, hold it and press down until we finish. Don't release that Control key. Leave it there. So expand your region. Okay? In your region, select sales territory key. Oh, sorry. I'm not. I hope you are modeling. Or I wasn't in model before. Pardon me for that. So I'm going to model view. In your model view, expand your product. Select your product key. Hold down your control key after you select your product key. Expand region. Select your sales territory key. Have you done that? Expand your reseller. Don't bother collapse them, leave them. Reseller. Select your reseller key. Sales. There is vertical bar on the right side. When it expanded that you can see, slide down without dropping your control key, slide down the vertical bar. There is somebody that does not have a mouse the other day. Have you gotten a mouse? Who
Yes, I
is
have.
You have, otherwise you find this place tough. So you pick up, now come to your sales, select employee key, select product key, select reseller key, select sales order number because nobody needs it. Select sales territory key. If you notice, everything that you select, they are together because you hold down your control key. We are through with sales key. The next one is sales person. Slide down your vertical bar so that you can see clearly. In your sales person, select your employee ID, select your employee key, select your UPN. Please don't release your control key. Hold it down there. The next one is your sales person region. Expand it. Slide down your vertical bar. Select your employee key. Select your sales territory key. Right? Then the final one is target. Expand your target. Slide down your vertical bar. Don't release your control key. Here you select your employee ID. That is the last thing you want to select. Okay? Good. Release your control key, but don't click anything inside this place now. Don't click anything under the data
Please,
pane.
please don't. I'm lag
No,
behind. Let me finish, please, before you move ahead.
okay, okay,
Thank you.
no problem. Please Don't click anything inside your data pane, otherwise you will deselect all you selected and you are going to start afresh. Be careful when you are sliding your vertical bar. Be careful. Don't go and click inside so that you don't deselect anything you selected before. Am I communicating to you? Please be careful. Okay. So when you are through, let me know.
Please scroll down to the target.
Yes,
Target.
I'm doing that. Target.
Okay.
You expand your target while you are holding down your control key. You select employee ID.
Okay.
Product key. Sales territory key in region. Reseller key in reseller. Employee key, product key, reseller key, sales order number, sales territory key under sales. Employee ID, employee key under salesperson. UPN under salesperson. Then employee key, sales territory key under region. Then employee
So,
ID under target. That's all you are going to select. Are we true?
sorry, Mr. Ebenezer,
Yeah.
I've messed it up.
No,
I
you
have
can't
to
mess up.
start
Don't
all
worry.
over.
Don't worry. Okay. Please, others, just calm there. That's Larry, right?
Yes.
Okay. Others, calm down. Let me lead Larry through. Larry, click inside now. Only Larry alone, please. Right-click any empty area on your data pane and collapse all. Please, only Larry. Others, just
Okay.
be patient. Expand your product now, Larry. Let's start together again.
I'm coming. Okay.
Okay. Don't hold anything now. Expand your product. Click on product key. Is that
Product
done?
key.
Product key under
Yes.
product. Is that done?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. Now go to your keyboard, hold down your control key.
Done that.
Okay. Now go to region, expand region without leaving your control key.
Okay.
Then here under region, you select reseller key.
Reseller key.
Under region.
Sales territory key. Is it?
Sorry, under region, sales territory key, pardon me.
Okay.
Under region, sales territory key. Have you done that?
Yes.
Okay. Now expand your reseller table. In
Okay.
reseller, you have reseller key there. Select it.
Yeah.
Please make sure you don't release your control key.
Okay.
Okay. Now go to your sales. By the time you expand your sales, it has expanded beyond what your eyes can see. Slide down your vertical bar without releasing your control
Control key.
key so that you can see the items of the sales. In your
Okay.
sales, select employee key while
Okay.
holding down your control key.
That's
Then
fine.
select your product key.
Done that.
Select your reseller key.
Done.
Okay. Select sales order number.
Done.
Then select sales territory key under your sales.
Done.
Is that clear? Okay.
Yes.
Now go and expand your sales person and slide down the
Done.
vertical line. Don't release your mouse. The vertical line.
Okay.
Okay. Under your sales person, select employee
Okay.
ID.
Done.
Okay. Select employee key.
Done.
And finally on sales person UPN.
Done.
Okay. Now the next one is sales person. You are doing all this thing while you are holding down your control key, please. So
All
under
right.
UPN, under your salesperson,
Okay.
no, under your salesperson region now,
Region.
salesperson region. So you have employee key, we have sales territory
Okay.
key. Okay,
Okay. Done.
good. Now drag down.
Target.
You still have your target. While
Yeah.
holding down your control key, expand your target. Okay, target. So you
Yeah.
select your target key here. Okay?
Target.
Yeah.
Okay.
Good. At this point,
Sorry,
you
you told us to select Mr. Benza. On that target, you
yeah.
told us to
Oh,
select
sorry.
employee
Hold down
ID.
your control key, please. Click on target
Okay.
bar to deselect employee ID. Thanks for calling my attention to that.
Thank you.
Employee
I should
ID.
do what?
Hold down your control key, Larry.
Okay.
Click
Okay.
target under target before this field. Click it so that it will deselect it. Have you done that? Make sure you hold down your control key. Larry, can I hear you? Are you still with me?
Yes, I'm with you.
Click
Oh,
on click on uh
everything has deselected again.
again. Okay,
I
don't
have to
worry.
start.
Go ahead. Region under product key. I'm waiting for you.
Okay, I'm coming.
Have you started?
Yes,
Okay. Under product, select product key.
I have.
Under region, sales territory key.
I have.
Under reseller key.
I have.
Under sales, employee key.
I have.
Sales under product key.
I have.
Uh, sorry, we are in sales, right? Sales,
Yes,
employee key, product key, right? Reseller key. Have you done that? Under sales.
I have.
Then sales order number.
I have.
Sales territory key under sales.
I have.
Okay. Now, the next one you will expand is sales person.
Yeah,
Under sales person, you have your employee ID.
I have.
Uh, you have your employee key,
I have.
then UPN.
I have.
Okay. Now, sales person region.
Okay.
Employee key,
I have.
sales territory key.
I have.
Then finally, under target, employee ID.
Yes.
So when you do that, release your control key. Don't click anything inside.
Okay.
Don't click anything inside. Now, go and expand your property pane. Come to your, where we are hiding now, under property. Okay?
Okay.
I think, let me see. Under general, set your hidden property to yes.
Okay.
Hidden. If you follow me, everything we selected will be hidden.
My own is not having yes or no. It's
No,
showing
come to,
mixed values under
no,
general.
under general, what do you see there?
Under Eden, mixed values. Then there's a line where you can, okay, let me
Hold on,
see.
hold on. Larry, share your screen with us quickly.
Okay. Hello?
Okay, aha,
This
right. So show me now.
is it. Click my
Okay,
mouse. Over.
okay. Don't worry. Click on it. Let's see what it shows. Okay, so when you slide to the right, you say yes. Okay. Click on it again. Let's see what it shows. No, okay. Okay. So make it yes. So that it's going to hide everything selected.
Okay.
No problem. Good. Thanks for showing us that.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So stop sharing.
Can I share?
Oh, you have something to show us? Quickly do. Emilia, you're welcome.
Mr. Vanessa, good evening. I can't share anything. Good evening.
Why? Okay.
Normally, I'm a lost sheep.
No problem. You are in the hands of God.
Amen.
How are you enjoying your holiday?
Enjoyment to take all.
Hey, Oyinbo. Oyinbo. You must share my own before you go back.
UK is waiting for you. Come.
Larry,
Mr.
what are you
David, I think
saying now?
my own table is
And
different.
the is waiting for you as well.
Sorry, one of my beautiful ladies is talking. Love it. Talk to me.
I think mine is different. It's showing, my own is only showing general. I don't have the formatting or advanced table.
Wait. Oh yeah, share your screen quickly. Let me see what is happening there.
Okay. So this is what my screen is showing.
Yeah, you selected all of them. C is hidden now. Under properties, hidden. See below. Click on it. Mixed value. Don't worry. Just click on it. Yes.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yes.
All right. Thank you.
No problem. It's good we see varieties. Please mute yourself. Mute yourself. I'm the only one that have a beautiful voice to be hearing. Every voice should hold on till I finish our class. Okay. So can you see my screen now, everybody?
Yes.
Okay. So we've done our sorry. Come here. Okay. So now that we've hidden all those keys that we don't need, let's progress. So the columns were hidden because they are either used by relationship or will be used in row-level security configuration or calculation. You will use the sales order number column in a calculation when we want to create dash. So that's that. That's why we don't need them for analysis. Now let's move further. Right click anywhere on your screen and say collapse all. Right click anywhere on your data pane, select collapse all. Have you all done that? Have you all done that?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, please be responding to me because of time. Now, we have three items that we want to format together. So, can you understand that when you want to action or more than one field, you use your control key to select multiple together? Is that clear by everybody?
Yeah.
Good. So now you expand your product, select standard cost, okay? Then expand your sales, hold down control key this time around. After you expand your sales, hold down your control key, select cost, this. And also select under your sales, select sales. So that means after you select your standard cost from product, you went to sales, you select cost under sales, and you select sales under sales itself. Okay? Release your control key. Come to your formatting if it has not been expanded, or if it has under your formatting, please look very well. Look for your decimal places. Your decimal places is below. We've seen it once. Again, we are looking at it. Click inside it and type 0. So just press enter and click outside. Those three items you pick, standard cost, sales, and cost, they won't have any decimal places. Am I communicating?
Yes.
Okay. Now, right click and, okay, don't just click anywhere inside it. Okay. Let's go and explore. Go back to your report view. Okay. When you've done that, in your data pane, notice the following. In your data pane, notice the following. Okay. Columns, hierarchies, and their levels have fields which can be used to configure report visuals. So they are telling us that all things we've done in hierarchy, uh, okay. So you will see when you look at your products, you will see your hierarchy. You see all your columns levels there, but you will not see your product key here. Can you see that? Your product key has been hidden. You don't need it for anything. Okay? Then, only relevant fields, any of the tables you can check. You only see only relevant tables. Okay? Look at your sales. You see only valid fields. Any field that is contrary will not be shown. All the hidden ones. Okay? Look at your salesperson region. Salesperson region, okay, isn't visible because all the fields, you can't see your salesperson region here, right? Because all the fields have been hidden. It's not there. The only place you can see it is, let's see if you can see it before we finish our, okay. Come to model view. You will see your salesperson region there. That's when you can see to have employee key, employees territory key. Okay? Everything there is being hidden. Let's go back to the report view. Okay. Then, again, notice partial feed around all the data that seems identified location. Okay? Exact location of that item. So everybody that did the formatting of locations will enjoy that. Okay? So that was done on that region. Then fields are done with Sigma. We summarize by default. So look at your, so if you look at all our data, you will see some of the data have one or two reseller and cool like that. Okay? Now when you see any field whereby you say, look at your sales, anywhere whereby you see Sigma symbol, it means that field can be added, can be subtracted, anything you want to do, okay, within the ambit of the arithmetic or the mathematics you can do. Okay, any question? Okay, then I'd like to, what again? I think that's all. Okay, good. So now we want to test something. You want to prepare for something. There is another date in your under your sales. Can you see that date? Okay.
Yeah.
So this other date, it has an arrow beside it. Am I correct?
Yes.
Okay. Expand it. What do you notice there? Eh?
Date hierarchy.
Aha. Thank you. Did we create any date hierarchy? Hello, class. Did we create any
I
date?
don't have it in my own. I don't have data hierarchy.
Ah, okay. If you don't have it, maybe if something has happened, take it out. It's supposed to be there. Now, what happened is this. I told you there is embedded artificial intelligence out of Power BI. What it does is to identify when you prepare your data analytics, when you prepare it and you have it for that kind of information. Now, what Power BI does is that the embedded AI inside it, if you upload 1,000 tables, it's going to check them one by one and bring the common field out for you. Okay? It's going to do. So likewise, it's doing during the this one. That's why I created dates. Okay? But forgetting that not all the times that my calendar year begins with January. So the current world, the current location we are. So the question is, this current adventure analysis is data is half year. It's not a full year. It's July to when now? July to June. Calendar year that begin from, I think in my previous class I've explained what previous year is all about. Okay, so now your artificial that the financial year, I've explained what financial year is all about. So your financial year span between, for this adventure work that we are looking at, July to 30th
Okay.
of June. That's how it ends. Okay, now because the one that Power BI does for you is going to make your financial year January to December. Okay? It's not going to make it a January to December palaver. But that's not what you want. So now, what you want is that you will create your own date items when the time comes. So, but in the meantime, what we are going to do is uh, uh, so what we do is we are going to disable the other dates that is suggested for us and bring the custom one that we can control. Okay? Now, go to page, let's see, I think page 1. Okay, good. So for us to attend to that date hierarchy, click on File. Hello, are you with me? Click on File.
Yes.
Now, when you click on File, click on Option and Settings. It comes up with this. Under Option and Settings, click on Options. Okay. Now, when the options expanded, below it there's a current file. You know, uh it's like somebody enter your car and, oh, give me let me clean this and that and cool. Okay, so now you've got into options. Under the options, there is a current file below. Is one. Current file. Under the current file, you have your data load. Okay, so now you come to your data load. When you click on data load, on the right-hand side of the screen, you see type detection, right? Type detection, relationship, intelligence, background, parallel. So time detection, this is what is time intelligence. That is what is creating your hierarchy. So I don't need it.
Mhm.
Okay, you check it, then you click OK. Okay, so are we together?
Mhm.
Yeah.
Good. When you click OK and we are together, now come to your sales. What do you have here? Under your other date, what happened?
The other rec is no more there.
It's no longer there. So
Yeah.
that's it. Take note. Okay? That one is by default, but you want to control your own. Okay? Good. Okay. So having done that, our calendar year began January 1 and then June 30. Okay? Good. Now we want to move to another part. We want to create what we call a quick mail, a quick calculation. A quick calculation for you. I see somebody say, be careful, oh, don't die for me. Oh. Okay. So now how do we do this? Quick mail are short calculations that doesn't need too much effort. Okay. So let's see. In the data pane, I click the sales scale, sales table, and right click.
What did you click, sir?
Come again.
What did you
Nothing
click?
yet.
Yeah?
I'm not clicking it. I said we want to do mayor now.
Yes.
Okay. So how do we do mayor? Right. Let our mayor is a calculation. It will stay in sales. So right click on sales.
Okay.
Right click on sales. Then see your new quick mayor. Click on new quick mayor.
Okay.
Please. So when you do that, it's going to bring out a dialog box for you. And in the dialog box, the first thing you see is select a calculation to be created. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
good. So the arrow down there, select it.
Yes.
Okay, good. When you do that, in the drop-down list, pick mathematical operations in this list. So select calculation that the drop-down, and the calculation you are going to, you are supposed to select, that's another thing, changes there. Our key has been adjusted. Okay, so scroll down and pick mathematical operation. Mathematical operation, say it here. Okay, so we are going to start with subtraction. under calculation to be done, we select subtraction. Okay? What I want to do with this? Pick subtraction, then sales, add sales to added data. Okay? So on your add data, go to sales, go and drag your sales on the, okay, so sales person there. Then under the value to subtract, again, go back to your cost. Add your cost to this. Okay, so now we are going to put cost. You know, profit margin is always about sales minus cost. So on each of the items, select your cost and drag it to radio. So you can see you have sum of sales, sum of cost.
Mine says count of sales.
No, go and pick sum. Go back there, there is sum there. Are we together?
When I drag sales
Yes.
to best value,
Yes.
it comes up as count of sales, not sum of sales.
Wayne, are you correct now?
No, when I drag sales, it says count of sales. When I drag cost says sum of cost. So I don't know why sales is coming up as count of sales.
Wow, shouldn't do that.
Okay,
if it does that, come and see, click on your base, click on that your base value.
Yeah.
Come under visualization. Can you see summarization there? You know your sum sales is above.
Yeah.
Below you have your sum of sales on sum on summarization below. Can you see that?
Okay. To get that, I click on the bar itself that says count of sales.
Yeah, you click on value to subtract. Okay. Then click on under your summarization under the Visual Basic. These are so under the summarization, select sum. If I select average now, what is some value of contrast is going to change? Can you say it? So, okay. Are you through now?
No. Rows, private key.
Change the item there to click on it and select summarization.
When I click on it, it comes up with a menu saying select data. It doesn't come up with the type you have. It comes up with
Wayne,
the data.
share your screen. Let me quickly see it.
Okay. 1 second.
Okay. Good. Click on that count of sales, sum of cost. Click on the value where you have sales. Under the formula. Leave that one alone.
Okay.
Okay. Now, look at your visualization.
Sorry, I'm trying to remove this Zoom thing. It's blocking my view.
Okay. Did you close it?
Yeah.
Oh.
The Zoom thing is blocking my view and it's closed my okay, hang on.
Okay. Can you see it now?
No.
Okay, just manage. Just manage. Under your click on the base, you click on the base value. You will see base value is supposed
It comes up with this menu rather than the menu that you
hold on, we will get it. Click on it.
okay. Click
Okay,
on
let me
what?
see. Let me see the value of your no, you're supposed to see the properties of this winter now.
Yeah, it's not coming up with that.
Sorry, click on the base on that, click on it. So now where something is hidden on your platform. Your notepad, your data pane and shift out. Drag it inward. Your data pane is causing it. Point
Okay.
to the top and drag inward. No. On the smaller one that's inside our design. Point to
Yeah,
the
sorry.
no, don't worry. Here.
It's the
See your data pane where you have selected data.
yeah, I'm trying to remove the zoom controls. I can't see that part on the zoom. So you want me to move this out, right? This part here.
Yes. Point
Yeah.
to the heading and point to the heading. Look at this. Point to the heading and drag sideways. No, click the empty area now. Click the empty area. Point your mouse to the top. On
It's
the
not,
top of
I
it.
can't see that because
Wow.
the zoom thing is blocking me. It's so
It's
frustrating.
blocking you.
I don't know how to remove that zoom thing. It's just a big black bar with the
Okay.
users there.
Hold on. Do something like this.
Okay, got it now.
Eh?
So you want me to move?
Don't close. Just point to the header and drag.
Okay. It doesn't move. It's not moving.
Close it. Leave it. Don't click anything.
Okay.
Look at your under your visualization.
Yeah. You want me to collapse visualization?
No, don't collapse it.
Okay.
Click on your base value. Let's see. It's supposed to show me.
There.
Click on it.
Okay. This is what comes up. The menu that comes up on yours doesn't come up on mine. And also you see where it says count of sales. That's what happens when I drag sales in. You know.
Do something. Let me check. There's an arrow pointing to the right. Click on that arrow.
This one here?
Yes, click on it. Click on that arrow.
Nothing happens. Let me close this now and then click on it again. Data options. It still comes up with the same thing.
It's supposed to show me a window where I can control what is on it.
Yeah.
Okay, let's continue at your time. You can look at that. Let's continue.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, let me stop sharing.
Okay.
If I can get the Zoom thing back up.
Stop sharing, okay?
I hate Zoom.
If it acts properly, okay, I'm coming a moment. See, when I click on base value on my own, it's supposed to bring up this window of data where I can say I can show summarization. This is where your own is changing. That's where you see count of sales.
Yeah.
Okay? It's whatever summarization you pick here that is going to show. You're supposed to
Also,
pick some.
I just noticed mine under sales doesn't have that formula before it.
Okay.
Could that be the
So
reason why?
it could be. Then the course also show you some. Okay? You
Yeah.
can change the summarization. Okay? We can find time to look at that. Let's continue. Continue the process. Don't worry.
Okay.
Now you've done your subtraction. Click on add. This is how you use formula. You write your formula. Okay? Remember, in your Excel, when you can write out a formula without naming, but in Power BI, no, it must have a name. Can you see the name of your formula? It says sum of sales minus sum of cost. No, look at where I put my mouse. Right click on it and select rename. Okay, so it's going to select the name. Okay, and type profit. Go to your keyboard and type profit. Hello, class. Are we together?
Please,
Yes.
can we do this again, sir?
Now, when you finish writing your formula, it has added it to your under your sales. So you right click on it and say rename. The name is giving it is sum of cost minus sum of sales minus sum of cost. So that's what is giving. So rename it. Click on rename and change the name to profit. Am I communicating? Love it.
Yes, I'm on track now. Thank you.
Oh, okay, you're welcome. Good. Now, in the sales table, add second quick measure based on the following requirements. Okay? So right-click on sales again. Right-click on sales. And say this time around new measure. New measure. Okay? Okay? Now, under mathematical operation where you have subtraction, go and pick division. Where you have this subtraction, click the arrow down and select division. So the addition value has now turned to numerator and denominator, right? Is that what you have?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now set your numerator to profit from your sale, that profit that you just calculate. Under your numerator, your sum of sale is still there. Close it. Drag in your profits from sales on it. Have you seen that?
Yes.
Okay. Under your denominator is showing you sum of cost. Close it by clicking this X. Go and drag your sales this time around on denominator. So your okay. Where's my what happened? It's not showing me my sorry. Division quick measure. Hey, this guy has confused himself. Oh. Sorry, let me repeat myself here. Right click on sales, new measure. So that it brings my formula up. So there should be measure on your search. I don't know what I click to take it out. My profit is there, sum of sales is there. Is that clear?
It's not showing on mine.
You can't see measure now.
Right click on sales and say new measure. It's going to bring your measure up. And all the division, profit, and sale is there. Leave it as it
Okay.
is.
Okay, it's showing now.
Now right click on the measure. Right click on the measure. Why is it taking it out? Okay. If it takes it out, right click on sales, new measure. So it's going to show me a formula bar above here. On this formula bar, call it profit margin. Can you see my mouse? Profit margin. Profit space margin. So profit margin is division of, you are dividing profit, sum of sales, click add. Okay? Good. Now click on that your profit margin. Click on the profit margin on your menu bar. On your menu bar. In front of where you have format. Can you see my mouse? Click the arrow down there.
My own is still showing, sorry, my own is still showing profit divided by sales.
Click hard at the bottom here now.
Okay.
No. That profit divided by sales. Right click on it and rename it and call it profit margin.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry, when are we clicking on add?
The moment you finish writing the formula here, click on add so that you add it to the sales itself.
Okay.
And on the sale, you now rename it. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay. Can we move on?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, I have an
Now,
error. Sorry. I have an error.
go
My own
on.
is still on the data side is showing profit divided by
Okay,
yeah,
hold
3 times.
on. Share your screen.
Okay, I'll share my screen now.
Click close. Click on close.
Sorry.
Okay.
Click on close. Okay, go to your, I can see, okay, profit divided by, wait. Let's correct your screen. This one will put us in trouble. Remove all these 3 items that are profit divided by, right click and delete. What's it? That should be removed there or delete. Delete from model. See, delete. Oh yeah, wait. Yes. Delete the other 2. There are 2 there. Delete the, okay. Okay, good. Now, right click on sales and say new measure now. New measure. Okay, click on add because it's there already. Click on add. It will add this thing there for you. Okay, so it's calling it profit divided. Don't go there. Come to this place, okay? Right click on this profit divided by. Right click on it. Rename it. Click on rename. Type your profit margin.
I already have one under it.
Oh,
Yes.
delete it so that just Right click and delete it. Yes. Now click on the profit margin that I have there. Let me see what is there. Come to this something that I show on your screen. Click X beside it. I want to see the bar. Profit margin. Okay, it's showing me it's correct. Now come to your formats. The arrow down on the on top on your ribbon bar. That format. Select percentage. The arrow down percentage. Then your decimal 2. So click OK. Press enter. It's already 2. Don't worry, don't disturb yourself. Don't add anything again. Just click outside. Good. So stop sharing.
Thank you.
You're welcome, sir. Okay, so percentage here, then is showing our decimal places to be 2. Good. Click outside. So that's our profit margin. So we want to test the 2 measures. Okay, we want to test what you've just done. So come to collapse your measure. This. Come to report view now. Okay, we are already in the report, right? So collapse your visualization. Okay. So under the we're on page 2 with our categories, sum of sales. Okay, I didn't change this thing. Click on this our matrix. Visualization. This guy should be. I don't need sum of sales there. Press enter. Now add our profit and margin. So check your profit here. Make sure you select your either table or matrix. Then check your profit margin. My profit margin is not showing me value, Abi.
So
There's no value in mine.
yeah.
I think something is wrong. Let me check. Let me delete from model. Okay. Wait, let me try my own. Right click, new measure. Division. Then profit divided by sum of sales. Profit there by sum of sales, by sales. Click add. Rename it profit margin. Okay. Okay. So I'll simply click on the. Please delete it and recreate it. So the percentage here is put percentage and put the decimal places to be 2.
How do we delete that?
Okay. Let me do it for all of us again. First, come to this under visualization so that it doesn't confuse you. Can you see under values, sales, profit margin? Click X to take it out. Have you
Where?
done that? Have you done that?
Where?
Look at under your visualization, your profit margin is under it values or under the rules. Where is it in your own?
I don't have values on my own.
You have rules.
I have columns.
I have
Under columns,
values.
there is
Yes,
profit margin there, right?
yes, it's profit margin.
And click X beside the profit margin to take it out.
Okay. Yes, I've done that.
Everybody does, okay?
Yeah,
Okay. Now right click the profit margin on your measure, the measure of your, right click the profit margin there. Here, right click on it and remove from model. Right click, remove from
remove
model.
or delete from model.
Delete from model.
Yes,
So now we only have profit, Abi?
yes.
So it's like you want
Yeah.
to start afresh. So right click your sales and set new measure. So it's going to bring up, it's going to bring up your this thing for you.
Yeah.
Okay. Right click says new measure. Have you done that?
Yes.
So
Yes.
your division is still there. We are
Mhm.
okay. Take out profit, drag your profit back. Someone says, drag your sales back. That's all you want. Then you click add. So it's still giving me profit
Divided
margin
by.
divided. Right click on it and rename it to be profit margin. Press enter. So you have a profit margin. So collapse this, come back here, click on your visual. I hope I'm not too fast. Click on your visual
Yeah.
and check your profit margin. So it's going to show you now.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So, but it's showing me
Zero.
zero. So click on your, while you are clicking while your selection is on profit margin, under format, select percentage and put 2 decimal places in this place. Lovett, are you there? Are you getting me?
I'm following, sir.
Okay. So that's that. We are testing. That's how to write small calculations.
I've clicked something else. So
What?
can I share my screen quickly, please? Sorry.
Time. Oh, we are
Sorry.
very. Oh yeah, share.
We are going to pay such tax.
Share screen.
I don't know what I clicked. Everything just went like this.
Click on the.
On
Don't worry.
report view.
Click on your report view. Click the design now. Click. No, you are there. Just click. Oh, you are even adding it. Click that.
Okay.
Okay. Click on page 2. This is where it's supposed to be. Click
Mine is on
inside.
page 2.
We'll correct that one. Click here. Now add your profits. Check your profits now. Check your profit margin. This is where it's supposed to be. Okay.
But
Then wait. There is an arrow up. Click on this arrow up.
Which arrow up?
See now on top of the design itself on the report. Click on it. This is now click on your profit margin.
But where's your
This one.
35% coming from?
Wait, Oga, calm down. Click on profit margin on your data pane.
It's already clicked on.
I didn't say check. Click. Put 2 decimal places under your 2. Press enter. Good. So that's it. Correct. Go and click on page 1. Page 1. Click on your reports. Just click anything on the object. Click. Come to your columns under visualization. Remove your profits and profit margin here. Click on the X. Click on the X. You don't need it here. Go back to your page 2. Good. You can, everybody save your Power BI. File save. Click on file save. Okay. Stop sharing.
Thank you.
You're welcome, sir. Okay. Now, okay, we've seen what we want to see. Profit margin, we've seen it. Now we want to create a many-to-many relationship. A report view. Come to page 1 of your report view. Report view, page 1. Okay. Reduce the size of the object that you have there. Reduce the size. Click on a blank area like this. Cancel my mouse. Just click on a blank area. Make sure this object wasn't selected. Click on blank area. Okay.
Sorry, I don't know how to do this.
How? Are you not on page 1?
I'm on page 1.
Then the object that we have there, click on the object and reduce the size. Have you done that? Hello, Wem, are you with me?
Yes, I've done mine.
Yes, I think I've.
Larry, are you with me now?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
when you are through, click on white area so that nothing is selected. Have you done that?
Mine is saying preparing Q&A.
Q&A. Are you on report view? Look at my screen? You're supposed to have my screen, nothing more. I'm not doing any magic. Is your screen different from mine?
I think the wordings are different. Mine is showing bike, mountain bike. The title is category
Share your screen. Share your screen, please.
Okay.
Waiting.
For me.
What's going on?
Let me reshare, please.
Lanley, what's happening? You are a bit slow.
Um, what's going on here? Can you see?
No, I can't see it. You share screen today now. Share your entire screen. What's happening?
I just did that. Can you see now?
No. What of others? Can others see your screen?
No, it's
No.
not showing.
So,
Try and show your entire screen.
That's what I did. Let me start again.
you click on the green button, share below.
Yes.
Then you pick any screen that belongs to your entire screen. You click on the object, then you click share. That's all.
Can you see it now?
Are you sure you're sharing from the screen from the laptop that you have your Zoom on?
Exactly. Exactly.
Because
What's going on?
you had two of your two Larry on the screen before, but now it's only one. So check this. Maybe it's no more connected.
Uh,
One of your system is not connected, Larry. Check.
What's this? Okay, wait, let me just try to connect again. Let me see.
I don't know how. Okay. Understand. Instead of you getting two systems, is it not possible to get a monitor to extend your screen?
That's what
Which
I'm
one,
going to do
which
next.
one is cheaper? Is it a whole system or getting a monitor to extend your screen?
I wouldn't
All
know
you want
now.
to do is, the second system is you want to extend your current system so that you are working one, you are seeing the other one. Get another monitor. Monitor should be cheaper than a system. My opinion, anyway.
That's the problem. Maybe we should move ahead.
Okay. Larry,
I'll watch the recorded video.
we'll get, we can check later. Let's move on. Time is not our friend.
Okay. Sorry about that.
No problem. It's part of it. That's why you are a student. Okay. What if you follow me? What I'm saying is your screen should be like this. I said go back to page 1. The object we have there before. Here demonstrated we demonstrated object whereby we bring in our category, subcategory, product, sales. We break them down. I was using this to compare metrics. That's all. But now I want to test another thing. Reduce it, click an empty area. I don't want this table to be selected. Okay? Now go to your salesperson. Go to salesperson. Go to salesperson. Check your salesperson. So it will create a new table for you. And I've explained to you that if you do not select anything on your canvas and you select a feed name, it's going to create a new object for you. Drag, why are you wasting my time? Sorry. Sorry, I'm trying to look outside. Okay, so I have to drag it somewhere here so that this one will stay separate. I just want to arrange my screen, don't worry. Just hold on a bit. So this is what I'm trying to do. Now this is a new object I bring to the table. The moment you click an empty area and you come to salesperson and check, it's going to create a table for you to accept the information. Okay? But it's too tiny for us. So click on it. Remember your format of visual. Love it? Do you remember this? When you select any object on your canvas, you want to format it, you click on format visual, the second item here.
Yes.
So you have your visual and general. Okay? Visual, general is when you want to do things that modify the whole of the object. But visual is to allow you to modify it in parts. You can scroll, you can expand this one down like this. So first thing we are going to do is we want to format the grid column so that it will be bold for us to see. Expand it. And I have said in our class that we are going to work with time romance under our fonts. Right? And I said this font size, let's make it 20 so that we can see. So look at our 6%, 20. Then bold it. Hello, are we following me?
Yes.
Okay. So that's the heading. What we have here is the value, is the item we are listed. So come to the values. I want to see it's too tiny. So come to the values. See the font or the value. That is what we want to display. So expand it, time romance, so that we have the same font. Then I want the font size to be 17. I want it to be bold for us to see. So you can see what is on our list, 17. I don't need to bold it because the item is only the heading. So you can expand down so that you have all your 18 sales rep. Expand it so that you contain things you want to bring in. Do you understand what I do here?
Yes.
You reduce the size of the one you have there. You click an empty area. You come to your salesperson, you expand it, you check your salesperson, and it creates a table for you. For us to be able to see properly, we'll come to format your visual while selecting it. Then you will start with column header. You change the font to time romance, and you change the font size to 20 so that salesperson will be bigger and for you to see. Then you collapse your column header. We now come to values because that is what control what is inside. And we change the font to time romance and we change the font size to 17 so that it will be bolder for us to see. Am I communicating?
Yes.
Yes.
Good. Good. If you are getting what I'm saying at that point, you want to add the second item, and that is come to your data pane, collapse your salesperson, go to sales now. Okay? I want to see the sales generated by each of my sales rep. So because the object is still selected, I will check on my sales. When you do that, it has aggregated all what each of these sales rep brings in. This is their sales. And I told you the other time, I don't like this sum of sales that is giving me here. It says, so I will come to my visualization. Sorry, under my visualization, go back to your visuals. Okay, build visual this. So you will see your sum of sales here below under the columns. So double click on it, remove sum out of it. Please, are you following me all?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
so you press enter. So I've changed the sales so that my heading will be right. So you can see again, let me come back to the first object you have. Let me remove let me click on this object. Okay. I will remove subcategory. I will remove product. I will leave it as sales there. Okay. Because subcategory and product, we just want to expand further. Can you see that the same value is the total we have under category and sales and under the salesperson and sale? Is that so?
Yes.
The same total, right?
Yes.
Good. Now, who can tell me what is the difference between this first object and the second object? What's the difference?
The first one is sales by category,
Okay.
and the other one is individual sales by the staff, I think.
Thank you. When do you understand that?
Yeah.
Good. Love it. Do you agree with that explanation?
Yes, sir.
Good. See, who is on the line again? Am I missing anybody else? I think Larry and 𝐂𝐎𝐓, they are with me on this.
Yes, sir.
Good.
The same
Now
page.
you ask the same page. Thank you. You are saying, I want to see the sales. I want to see, oh, this, it's just like when you are reporting as a sales rep, you are reporting to an organization and you are saying, oh, we made a sale of 10 trillion pounds. Oh, we had a sale of 14 billion pounds. To the sales reps, they are happy. You understand me now? We've made a lot of money. But to the management, who is making this money is the question that is probing their mind. Yes, 14 trillion, 15 trillion, 30 trillion pounds. Yes, good. They want to know who is working. Not that monkey is working, bamboo is shopping. Do you understand me now? First, they want to see which of our products is giving us the money. That's how they come to category. Can I see the category of our products? And you can see when you are now saying you make money. Is accessory making money here?
No.
Eh?
Accessory made money,
Not
but
making a
need
lot of
more
money.
Not making a lot of money.
money.
And
Yes.
his manager might be one of the top sharp guys that is shouting, hey, we make money. 17,548,548. They want more profit. But the management on top, look at this guy shouting, who is making this money? Give me the category. You can now see who is bigger. Bikes makes a lot of money. Component makes clothes. Look at clothing and accessory that the manager is shouting, ranting, see what they bring in. Do you see where your analysis comes in now? This is the beauty of your analysis. Okay. When everybody is shouting departmental, the bikes department, component department, clothing department, and say they are shouting. Somebody top guy say, yes, you this unit. what is the functionality, the performance of the sales rep? So who is doing well now?
Linda.
Eh?
Linda.
Linda Mitchell.
Linda Mitchell is doing well, right? I hope it's not the manager because okay, Linda Mitchell is doing well. Good, good. Who is doing bad?
Abbas. Say the
Sid
Abbas.
Abbas. So what do you think will
74.
happen? What do you think will happen to this guy?
He will get query.
Remember, they gave them, all of them has car, all of them has airtime allowance, all of them has fuel allowance and co like that. So upon all the money given to you, all you are doing is to go and be chasing love it for me.
Ah.
See that bad. The only thing you can do is to be chasing love it for me. God don't catch you now. I am the
Love it, is
manager.
that true? Love it.
Love it. You didn't allow Sid to make money for me. So God has cashed the guy for me now. I'm going to deal with him. I withdraw my car, withdraw my money. So the lover will take care of you. Anyway, so this is the...
Please, my values are different from yours, but on my own, from my end as well, Sid is the lowest anyways, but the values are different.
Why should the value difference? Funny, it's the same data. Is yours in pounds?
Yes.
In pounds, okay. The exchange rate is different, might likely be, but no, the value is just, in your case, in our case, it's just the, I will check later.
Okay.
Let's move on. So this is seeing the performance of each of the sales rep. So these are the beauty of analysis. But where are we going with what we are doing here? We want to create a many-to-many relationship. Why do we want to do that? From the table visual display, sales made by each salesperson. However, here is another relationship between sales people. Some salespeople belong to 1 to 2 or more possible more sales region. All this money you are just looking at, it's accumulation from different regions for some of them. So I may want to see it might likely be the regional functionality that allowed Linda Michelle to have this money. Not because the guy is working hard, but fortunately because the weather, maybe weather in Manchester is colder than the weather in Liverpool. So the guy is the one heading Manchester, Manchester City, and some other colder area. Is able to rally around and get more money from there. While the other guy that in warm area, Sid Abbas, might likely be in warm area and nobody is buying some of these items that he's selling. It could be varieties of those things. So you don't just need to sit back and look at analysis in one direction and go away. That is the beauty of your job as a system analyst, as a data analyst. You don't just generate report in one angle and report it to the management. You must have a variety of dimensions to be sure that you are reporting correctly. Now we've already said we should sack or take privilege of Sid Abbas. We've already been insinuating for him. We need to know what is his pain. What happens to him? Why is he generating low? That is what makes a good manager. Am I communicating?
Yes.
Yes, please.
Good. So notice that Michael Blight has generated almost 9 million. Look at Michael Blight. He has generated almost $9 million of sales. Switch to model view. Then drag the salesperson region table to position A between the region. Now let's go back to our model view. We want to bring our salesperson region. Okay, we want to see their performance on region basis. So we will drag this in between your salesperson and reseller. This. Okay, so bring our salesperson region here. No, region and sales. Why is my salesperson below here? Sorry, let me rearrange. Region should be below. I think my reseller supposed to be here. Why salesperson should be here? Yeah, this is supposed to be my best arrangement. Aha. Then salesperson will be in between. Okay. So salesperson region here. Now, we want to create, I hope you are following me.
Well, I'm still arranging my own.
Okay. So we
Yes.
want to go to our model view. Not necessarily. Let's use drag and drop from salesperson, drag the employee key. This is my salesperson. This drag employee key and drag it on salesperson region. Employee key here, drag it on. Okay, this guy is not moving for me. Employee key, hold down your mouse, drag it, and drop it on salesperson region. This. So it comes up with this. It's telling me one-to-many relationship, salesperson to salesperson region. That is, one sales rep will be in more than one region. And you can see the employee key has been highlighted as the key in between them, and it's one-to-many single. Click on save to create that relationship. Good. So you can drag this one down for us to see. So the next one I want to do, I want to have a region and salesperson region, because you are saying salesperson region, they cover more than one region. So I want to link my region and salesperson so that I can see the relationship. So I'm going to have a region sales territory key and salesperson region. So I will come to region, I will pick my sales territory key and drag to on top of sales territory key in my salesperson region. This. So I'm dropping it. So it's also telling me region is filtering my salesperson region. That is, one region will have more than one sales rep. So, and I'm grouping their sales. So click on save. Are we together? Did we get this together?
Yeah.
So our map will be like this. Our model will be like this. Now, the salesperson region table can be considered to be a bridging table between the region and the sales. Okay? Switch back to model view. No, switch back to report view. This. There is nothing changes, right?
No.
Nothing changes, yeah. So the sales report for Michael Blight hasn't changed. We are watching out for this Michael Blight. We will know later. It hasn't changed. Okay? Switch back to the model view. Go back to the model view. We are dragging out something there. Consider that the salesperson table filters, salesperson table, this filters the sales table. The salesperson filters the sales table. That's why you have one-to-many relationship. It also filters the salesperson region table. Can you see? It's also one-to-many of salesperson region table. Okay? That is salesperson. All in sales will be in sales. Salesperson will belong to more than one region. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay. So the arrow is pointing towards the wrong direction. So your salesperson is filtering to information is very wrong. But it also filtered the sales, that's your salesperson. Filter salesperson region. But your salesperson region supposed to filter region. It's not doing that. Your salesperson region supposed to go and filter region so that you can see what is having per region. But inadvertently, it's your region that is filtering your salesperson region. Can you see the arrow? Arrow from your region is going in opposite direction to the arrow of your salesperson. Conflict. Do you see that? Hello?
Yes.
Yes.
You see your salesperson region is filtering your salesperson is filtering your salesperson region. Ordinarily, it's supposed to be salesperson region that will go and filter your region and now go back to sales. But unfortunately, it's your region that is filtering your salesperson region. So it's a bad design. Look at the arrow from your region to salesperson region. They are facing together. So you are now having a many-to-many relationship. That's not good. So to edit the relationship between the region and salesperson region table, double-click the relationship. So you double-click the relationship between your region and salesperson. Okay? Edit the relationship. This we are there. And change your cross filter to both. I want to filter in both directions now. Okay? But we are teaching ambiguous things there. So click on save. Look at the line between your region and salesperson region. What do you see if you are following me?
It has double arrow facing.
Double arrow,
Yeah.
pointing to either direction.
Yes.
Okay? Switch back to your report view now. Notice that your sales value still not change. Nothing has changed.
Nothing.
The issue now relates to the fact that there are two possible filtering propagation paths between the salesperson and sales table. That's just the problem. Let's go back to model view. Your salesperson and sales table is having two filtering direction. One, salespersons filter your salesperson region. If you close your eyes to when region is filtering back, you will see that salesperson region is filtering your region and your region is filtering your sales. Okay? There are two. That's ambiguity. That is what this portion is trying to teach you, that you must be careful. So, this ambiguity is internally resolved based on a least number of tables assessment. To be clear, you shouldn't design models with this type of ambiguity. I'm emphasizing that. The issue will be addressed in part in this lab. And by completion, by the time we get to DAX, we will solve the problem using filters. Filter result is going to solve this problem. We deliberately create this problem so that you see the impact of when you are having a wrong filtration to your information. Am I communicating?
Yes.
Good. So, we are already in model view. Good. To force the filter propagation via the bridging table, editing or double-click the relationship between the sales person and sales table. Sales person, this, and sales table. We want to edit it. What do we want to do? Okay. So in the relation window, uncheck make this relationship active. So we are going to stop activity of salesperson and sales. So make it active, uncheck it. So save it. What happens to the line between salesperson and sales? Who can tell me?
It's no more a bold line.
It's
It's
a
not
bold
like
line. What happened again?
it's not like dotted sort of.
It's a dotted line. It's a
Yeah.
broken line.
Broken line, yes.
Okay. His salesperson is no longer filtering sales. He is now filtering salesperson region. He's looking at the sales on regional basis. From there, transfer to region
Yeah.
and back to sales. That's what it does. Okay. So the model diagram, notice that the native relationship is represented by a dotted line. So this dotted line is saying salesperson is not doing any filtration on sales at this moment. Okay? Switch to report view now. Go back to report view.
Wow.
What do you notice? The value has changed.
My report view has even changed.
The interpass has changed.
If you
Has
look at
risen.
if you look at Michael Blind that is having less than 9 million earlier, it's now selling
21 million.
21 million.
Even
This
say
is
Abbas
see the bus. It's money as
on
this
170 something.
My
this
own
ma-
my,
this,
my own
this
my own table has changed though, totally.
Now something falling again. Look at Brian Welker. Brian Welker. See the value for Brian Welker and total. What do you think happens there?
That should be wrong.
That should be wrong. Brian Welker is the sales manager, is the sales director. So all their sales is accumulated to him.
It
That's
was
why
not
you see
quite.
that there. Okay? But yeah, the total. So notice also that the sales for each salesperson, if added, will exceed the table total. Am I correct?
Exactly.
If all their
That's
sales.
true.
It is a common observation of many-to-many relationship. So we're having a many-to-many relationship here due to the double, triple, etc. counting of the regional sales. It's because of the regional sales here that is having a wrong conception. It is now consider Brian Welker, the second salesperson listed. His sales amount equals to the total sales amount. It is the correct result due to the fact that he is the director of sales. So his sales are measured by the sales of all the regions. So it's the region that is causing problem here. So while the many-to-many relationship is now working, it is now not possible to analyze sales made by salesperson. So you can't analyze individual sales. Okay? Even the regional sales is modeled up. So when you introduce to calculated table that will allow analyzing sales made in a sales region assigned to the same person for performance analysis, the create dash calculation in Power BI will help us to solve this problem. So my duty is to drag you to problem in this class now that we will now think of how to solve. Okay, I've created a problem for you and I will believe in it will solve it in as I'm progressing in the class. So switch to model view that we are, and then in the model diagram, select sales persons table, sales person table, in the property pane, okay? In the
Sorry,
property, yeah,
I, I,
talk.
I didn't get that. Sorry.
Now,
I'll switch to
we are in
model
model
view.
view, we are in model view now.
Yes.
So click on this salesperson,
Okay.
table, click on it,
Yes.
okay? Now in the property window under general,
Yes.
collapse your advance is there General is there. Where is the other one? Okay. Oh, this one doesn't have formatting. Okay. So general and advanced. Under your general, okay, in the name, in the name.
Yes.
Okay. Now we want to modify the name. Click in front of the salesperson, open brackets, type performance. Don't put space, or it will cause problem for us in the future. Between your open bracket, just open bracket, don't put space. Performance. And close the brackets. Enter. So I've changed our salesperson table to salesperson performance. So this table, we'll look at it later. We'll derive other things later. Okay? So the rename table now reflects its purpose. It's used to report, analyze the performance of the sales people based on sales of their assigned sales region. Hello?
Yes.
This sales performance, as it is analyzing your sales rep on regional basis. So that's why you call that table sales performance. Not individual sales rep. Am I communicating?
Yes.
Good. So we'll round up this section by going to task manager, a target table. In this task, you will create a relationship to the target table. Okay? Create a relationship from salesperson performance, the table we just named. Create a relationship between salesperson performance and employee using the employee ID, okay, and the target employee ID. So what I'm saying is I'm going to drag, I want to see my salesperson with target. That's what I'm driving at now. Salesperson with target. Okay, so I will drag employee ID from here to target. Okay. So you can see salesperson performance is creating a target one-to-one relationship with my target table. So click on save. So I've gotten that there. Go back to your report view after you link your salesperson performance with your target. Click on OK. So add your targets. Add your target to the sales matrix table here. So where is my target? So here is target. See the target value. So what am I doing? Put it here or you check it either. Okay? So look at your target. So you can see, and the value here is going to be accumulated value, not correct value. By the time we do time intelligence, we'll be able to get the correct value there. So it's now possible to visualize sales target, but for now, take care for two reasons. First, there is no filter on the time period. So there is no filter on time period that can analyze this better for us. And so target also include future target amounts. So you have your target amounts there. Second target amount. Additive and total shouldn't be displayed. They can either be disabled or by formatting. So look at all your targeting. You shouldn't have so total. Target is individual thing, not for consumption of your organization. Any question for me? We are slow in this class, so we are learning like baby. Any question?
Can I save now?
Yes, click on File, Save now.
Okay.
Everybody click on File, Save. Ordinarily, my thought is to start the next module today. Can I start the next module?
No.
Okay. Why?
We're going to work very early tomorrow morning.
Okay. Okay. So guys,
What
in
is the
our
next
next is if we are going to look at introduction to DAX, which is calculation in our next class. Time allotted for this course is very short, so I'm going to rush you. They just want to introduce you to it. I think we have about 3 weeks or so to go. So next class, prepare, come to the class. I'm going to run faster.
Okay.
Catch up later. That's what I'm going to do. Love it. How did you see the class? Love it. Are you there?
Yes, I'm here. I would have to obviously go back to it and see what I can do.
Okay.
Because now it's
Wayne,
just I've been following you anyways.
no problem. Wayne, how far?
Yeah, since my stuff broke, it's been I'll have to do exactly what Lovett said. Go and find out why I lost the formula in front of sales, and then continue from there. So it should be relatively easy to follow.
Okay.
But I'm worried about my version of Power BI. But I'm still hoping that it'll fix itself.
No problem. You can reach out to me if you have any issue.
No problem.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Please, Catherine is not here. Carry him along. So, eat porridge.